First, let's look at the drawing. You have a foundation wall, which is the wall to your crawl space. You have a footer, which is solid concrete down deep in the ground. The outside grade is the level of soil on the outside of the wall. The inside grade is the level of soil inside the crawl space. As it begins to rain, water will pool up alongside of the foundation wall. It finds its way to the footer and slowly seeps into the crawl space. As it does, it begins to saturate the soil. This causes the water table to rise, and soon you will see water sitting on top of the soil in the crawl space. Now look at the wall with a footer tile inside the crawl space. This time, as the water pools up on the outside and comes down along the brick wall, it will flood through the gravel and into the perforated pipe, which is channeled away to a sump pump. Footer tiles not only help keep the crawl space dry, but they help prevent foundation damage, as well as wood rot on the joists above, and they help prevent termites. And this is Chuck with Apple Drains Drainage Contractors in Charlotte.